Strings in Python are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. They support operations like concatenation, slicing, and formatting. Understanding these operations is crucial for manipulating text data effectively. Strings are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be changed, which is important for memory management and performance. Python's data types are foundational for programming. They include numeric types like int, float, and complex, which handle numbers and calculations. The str type manages text, supporting Unicode and immutability. Booleans, represented by true or false, are crucial for logic. Binary types, such as bytes and byte array, manage raw data. Understanding these types is essential for effective coding. Python's core data types include numeric types like int, float, and complex for various numerical operations. Textual types, such as str, handle sequences of characters and support Unicode. Boolean types, represented by bool, are crucial for logical operations. Binary types, like bytes and byte array, manage raw data. Understanding these types is essential for effective Python programming. Data types in Python are crucial for defining valid operations and memory allocation. Python's dynamic yet strong typing means types are determined at runtime, but type rules are strictly enforced. For instance, you can't add a string to an integer without conversion. Use the type function to dynamically check variable types, ensuring code reliability. Strings in Python are immutable sequences of Unicode characters. They can be created using single, double, or triple quotes, all producing identical objects. Python 3 supports international characters and emojis, allowing for diverse text representation. Operations on strings create new objects, preserving immutability. Strings in Python are immutable sequences of Unicode characters. They are created using single, double, or triple quotes, all producing identical objects. Python 3 supports international characters and emojis, allowing diverse language use. Any modification creates a new string in memory, ensuring the original remains unchanged. String creation in Python involves concatenation, repetition, and length measurement. Concatenation uses the plus operator to join strings, creating a new string. Repetition with argvar repeats a string multiple times. The len function measures string length. Remember, each concatenation creates a new string object in memory, so use join for efficiency when combining many strings. Access individual characters in a string using square brackets. Positive indices start at 0, negative at -1. Extract substrings with start:\end notation, including start but excluding end. Omit start or end to slice from the beginning or to the end. Use a step value to skip characters, like s:2 for every second character. Strings in Python are immutable, meaning once created, their contents can't be altered. Attempting to modify a string, like changing hello to hello, results in a new string object. This immutability ensures thread safety and memory optimization by allowing Python to reuse identical string objects efficiently. String methods enhance text manipulation. Use upper and lower for case conversion. Strip removes whitespace, while replace substitutes text. Split divides strings into lists, and join combines list elements. Method chaining, like strip, upper, replace, allows complex transformations efficiently. These methods streamline string handling in Python. Explore essential string methods in Python. Use upper and lower for case conversion, strip for trimming whitespace, and replace for text substitution. Split divides strings into lists, while join merges list elements. Method chaining, like strip, upper, replace, enhances efficiency. These tools streamline string manipulation, crucial for effective coding. Python provides 3 main methods for string formatting: old style using %, str.format, and fstrings. Old style uses % with specifiers like %s. Star format uses curly braces placeholders. Fstrings, introduced in Python 3.6, are the most efficient, allowing inline expressions. For new projects, fstrings are recommended for their readability and performance. Advanced string features in Python include multi-line and raw strings. Multi-line strings, enclosed in triple quotes, preserve formatting, making them ideal for documentation. Raw strings, prefixed with R, treat backslashes literally, crucial for file paths and regex patterns. Escape sequences like NN and AINT are ignored in raw strings, simplifying complex patterns. Multi-line strings in Python use triple quotes to maintain formatting, ideal for documentation. Raw strings, prefixed with R, treat backslashes literally, crucial for file paths and regex. Escape sequences like \n for new line are ignored in raw strings, simplifying complex patterns. Python 3 strings are Unicode by default, allowing representation of characters from any language. This is essential for handling diverse text data. Encoding transforms these Unicode strings into byte sequences for storage or transmission. Understanding encoding ensures accurate data exchange across files, networks, and external sources, maintaining text integrity and compatibility. In this demonstration, we explore practical string operations in Python. We handle user input by cleaning and formatting names and emails. The script normalizes input, extracts key information like first names and email domains, and validates email formats. Finally, it generates a formatted output using fstrings, showcasing a user profile summary. Python's data types are pivotal in structuring code. Strings, at 35%, are prevalent due to their role in text processing, web development, and data analysis. Key string methods like split and strip are essential for parsing and cleaning data, as evidenced by GitHub repository analysis. These methods streamline handling textual data efficiently. Strings are the most prevalent data type in Python projects, accounting for 35% of usage. This highlights their critical role in text processing, web development, and data analysis. Among string methods, split and strip are the most popular, crucial for parsing and cleaning text, as evidenced by GitHub repository data. Strings are immutable Unicode sequences, essential for text processing in Python. Mastering indexing, slicing, and built-in methods enhances text manipulation. Understanding immutability prevents errors. Use modern fstrings for readable code. Always verify types with type, and convert with str, int, or float to avoid runtime errors. Python offers extensive string manipulation capabilities and supports over 1 million Unicode characters. Practice regularly using interactive Python shells like IDLE, IPython, or Jupyter notebooks to experiment with string operations. Explore python.org/docs for tutorials and method references. Build real projects like text-based games or data analysis scripts to solidify your understanding. Mastering strings unlocks powerful Python capabilities, enabling you to write elegant, efficient code.